Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, it's Tablescape Tuesday, guys. I am so excited because this is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's any color, theme, or style. I'm just really excited. Let's jump right into it, guys. Now I'm going to be linking the host down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. Make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, so that you can see how everybody decorated for Tablescape Tuesdays. Now guys, we need to spread the news and invite people to join in on Tablescape Tuesdays. This is so much fun. We don't want to keep it to ourselves. It is an open invite. You are cordially invited. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, I did want to remind you that every second Saturday of the month, we host Sophisticated Saturdays. And this is at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can decorate any area of your home, any theme, color, or style. So now let's look at the table. We have a navy blue tablecloth. I'm not sure how that's appearing on the camera, but it's navy blue. And then I got this iridescent scarf that I decided to run along the top of that coffee table. I'm using my silver lantern, which was a thrifted item, and then this beaded, those beaded Christmas trees on the ends in the cream color and the white. That I believe I got from Dollar General, along with those silver ones that are right next to it. They are so adorable. So now the chargers that I'm bringing in right now have these snowflakes on them. So this is part of a set that the Dollar Tree's carrying. And they have the dishes, the salad plates, and these chargers, and they're all matching, and they're gorgeous, guys. So what I did here is I lit some of the candles, and then I brought in some snowballs that I placed over there on the side. Those I got from the Dollar Tree. And I also placed some ornaments on there. So we have the wings, and then we have the two Santa Clauses that I placed on each side. Now I had to place this crystal cross right in the center between the plates. It is gorgeous. Okay, so I place some ornaments on the table, as I said. Now I'm coming in with these candle holders that the Dollar Tree's carrying right now. I am loving them. I hope they have some more when I go back, because I'm going to grab some more just to spray paint those and have them in different colors. That would be nice. Now, I just want to say that the glassware is a thrift. They were thrifted items from the Salvation Army, and so was the napkins. That I'll be bringing in. Now the utensils I purchased at Aldi's, and they are gorgeous. Okay, so the candles are lit. I think we need to take a closer look. Now here's the reveal. Now, I think this cozy table for two came out amazing, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.